Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Tiffany. Thanks so much for tuning in for today's video. It's a little echoey in here because I've removed a lot of boxes and a lot of junk that was in my office, so that's the reason why you'll probably hear a lot of echo. Anywho, today's video is going to be a two-strand twist video, and it's basically an update to a video that I have done in the past. So if you want to check it out, I'll be sure to link it for you below, as well as you can click the little info button there to watch it if you're interested. So today we're going to be doing two-strand twists. I have a lot of hair. My hair has grown a whole lot since having my third baby, and now I'm experiencing a lot of postpartum, I guess, like shedding, and it's horrible. And I'll make sure my story here on the channel very soon about it and kind of walk you through like what I'm experiencing, because it's stressful in a sense of how much hair that I am losing right now. So I wanted to do this video because I wanted to do a style that was more of a protective style, as well as something that I wouldn't have to manipulate my hair a whole bunch. I want to do something to my hair to where I don't have to style it every day, low manipulation, so I decided to go with this style. And if you haven't seen yet, I did this style also on my daughter, who is 5 years old, and she is actually loving it. So she may show up here in a few minutes, and I'll show you what her hair looks like after it dried. Her twists got so chunky, they look so good. I was like, oh, I wish my hair could do that, but it probably won't. But anyway, if you want to see how to do the two-strand twist like this, then just keep watching.
For today's video, I really do hope that you enjoyed it. Oh, and by the way, I wanted to mention that I think I'm going to do some styling videos, like how you can take two-strand twists like this and put them in multiple styles to kind of switch it up so you're not wearing it the same way every day. So if you're interested in that video, please let me know, because I'll go ahead and get that recorded for you and share it here on the channel. Don't forget to head over to the blog at www.tiffanydbrown.com to check out more pictures and blog posts and more information about hairstyle tutorials and all of that good stuff, and especially the products if you're interested in the products that I use in today's video. Do your girl a favor and go ahead and hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Being that with everything that's going on right now, I'm trying my best to get as much content uploaded and recorded as possible, so I would really, really appreciate your support if you go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you think about the video today, and if you want to see more of these style hair tutorials, whatnot. And like I said, we feature more hairstyle tutorials with my daughter as well. So for those mamas out there who are looking for different ideas for their daughter's hair, or your daughter's hair is very similar to my daughter's hair, maybe it could be helpful for you. So don't forget to check out those videos as well on the channel, and we will chat in the next video. Bye.